Okay, YouTube, so it's your boy BG Tech Life. Today we got something a little different I wanted to try. It's normally out of my wheelhouse, guys. This is some screen protection. Y'all know I normally use the tempered glass stuff, but everybody's been talking about anti-reflecting film and just, screen protection that'll work with the anti-reflective screen that's on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we're going to try this out today. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so we got the anti-reflective film. This doesn't look, this is not what I'm used to, the tempered glass stuff, but I want to try it out for y'all. We got an anti-reflective type screen on the S25 Ultra. So this is from Samsung, so it should work with it. So this tells you what's in the box. You get an anti-reflective film, dust removal, microfiber, basically everything you'll get with a screen protector. So that's pretty dope. But let's just go ahead and get everything out and get this thing applied. I'm gonna pull everything out like so. Got one envelope, and we got a box. So in the box, we got the squeegee, we got a microfiber. This look like all cleaner type stuff. This looks like something we're gonna line up the screen protector with. And we got some instructions. So it's not too much to it, guys. Basically, this is the frame that's gonna go at the bottom of the phone. We're gonna clean the screen really well. And as you can see, these hooks on the screen protector gonna go onto the frame to help you line the screen protector up. Gotta clean the screen really well and do all of that stuff. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I'm not really feeling this anti-reflective film. I'm not the best at applying screen protectors. I'm the best when you got me with some training wheels. That's the tempered glass screen protector with the frames around them and things of that nature. This film to me, it's just hard to not get it without bubbles. Like I'm okay with a bubble here, a bubble there, and my screen protector because I know really the job is to really protect the display. But I just feel like with this lacking 9H hardness, real tempered glass, I feel like my display is really still exposed. And, even though, yeah, it works with the anti-glare that's on the S25 Ultra, I would just rather have something that's tried and true and a real drop to protect my glass and actually easier to apply and look better after I apply it. Because after I applied this, guys, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I got a lot of little air bubbles that I couldn't even get out with a squeegee. It just wasn't that deal, I mean, it's gonna get it's gonna get bought in the clicks and the views, but people gonna try it out because it's got the anti-glare stuff in there. But I just would rather have my screen protected. Like I'm not sitting in extreme sunlight all day. Like I like the features on the screen, and some, I'm not exactly sure, but some screen protectors may go against that. I'd be glad when somebody truly come out with an anti-glare tempered glass screen protector that'll work. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm just sharing, I'm just being real with y'all. My experience, applying it wasn't the best. It didn't come out well for me. I tried it. I took my time. At the same time, I just don't feel like film protects. The glass screen protector is definitely going to protect way better to me in my mind till I see something different. And those are just my thoughts. I'm out. Peace.